GitChat by Locale AI is a brand new AI software that's just hit the market, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're curious whether this is the right AI tool for your business or personal use, stick around, because this review will cover everything, from its features to how it stacks up against the competition. First off, if you want to give GitChat a try, you can test it for free through the first link in the description below. GitChat by Locale AI has been making waves for its ability to generate personalized, conversational AI experiences. It focuses on chat-based interfaces that can automate customer service, support, and even personal assistant tasks. The way GitChat works is it allows businesses to create customized chatbots that adapt to their unique needs, whether that's answering frequently asked questions or providing tailored recommendations. One of the key benefits of GitChat is its integration with existing platforms. Whether you're using it on your website, in a customer service app, or on your mobile, GitChat makes it seamless to plug in and start using. This is huge because it means less setup time for your team, allowing them to focus on what matters most. You can have a fully functioning chatbot in just minutes, which is perfect for companies that need to scale customer support quickly without hiring additional staff. The second point is its natural language processing, or NLP capabilities. GitChat uses advanced AI to understand and respond to customer queries in a way that feels human. It doesn't just spit out pre-programmed responses, it learns and adapts. This feature is critical if you want to ensure that your chatbot provides a positive customer experience. Another standout feature of GitChat is its multi-channel support. Whether you want to integrate it with your website, social media accounts, or messaging platforms, GitChat allows for cross-platform engagement. This flexibility ensures that no matter where your customers are, they can easily interact with your business. Next up is customization. GitChat gives you the ability to customize not only the appearance of your chatbot, but also how it interacts with users. You can set specific goals for the chatbot to achieve, like booking an appointment, processing an order, or collecting feedback. Plus, it allows for tone adjustments, meaning you can make sure your chatbot speaks in the voice that best fits your brand. Another thing to note is GitChat's analytics dashboard. It gives you real-time insights into how your chatbot is performing. This includes metrics like response time, user engagement, and conversion rates. By reviewing this data, you can make adjustments to optimize the chatbot's performance and better serve your customers. The sixth thing you should know is about security. With GitChat, all your customer data is encrypted, ensuring that your conversations remain private and secure. This is crucial if you're dealing with sensitive customer information or operating in industries that require compliance with privacy regulations. Now, let's talk pricing. GitChat is a very competitively priced tool compared to similar AI chat services. They offer a free trial, so you can test out its features before committing. This is particularly useful for small businesses and startups that may be hesitant to dive into AI without seeing results first. Lastly, I want to mention that GitChat integrates well with other AI tools. If you're already using AI software to help with customer insights, marketing, or even sales, GitChat can complement these efforts seamlessly. Its API allows you to integrate with other tools for an even more powerful workflow. So, to wrap things up, GitChat by Locale AI is an incredibly versatile tool that is great for automating customer interactions and streamlining business operations. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, its ease of use, customization options, and multi-channel support make it worth a look. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've rounded up my recommended ones in the description below. You can try GitChat and other top tools for free. Check them out and see which ones work best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.